Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OXY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. But just to set the context, and I realize I'm probably stating the obvious here, but after today, a whole lot of downwards pressure has shown up, which brings about the question of, okay, well, where are some levels of support at? Because support levels are at least, they're not guarantees of where downwards pressure would stop, but it's at least a rational thought to have of, potential areas where, there could, the price could find a bid and maybe bottom out. So for this, we're actually gonna have to squeeze down the chart here and go back quite a bit in the chart's history, which really illustrates just how much this thing has fallen, because now at this point, with the amount of downwards pressure that has shown up, next level of support, not until down here around that level at 1275. Now, am I saying that the price is hitting 1275, tomorrow? I'm not saying that. My point is just from the overall technical point of view, this is a very important level. You go there, you can see it acted as support. And now at this point, just looking back through it, there just simply isn't any other data points that would suggest any other sorts of major levels of support. So in other words, kind of the chart is in free fall mode right now. Again, doesn't mean that it's for sure going down there, but I don't think anybody would be shocked if the price eventually, not necessarily on Thursday, but over the next few days, all of a sudden was doing battle and bouncing around that 1275 mark. So keep a close eye on that from the support side of things. Now, in the event the price does decide to bounce back up, key level of resistance to watch is going to be that pink line there, the 200 period moving average. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting that when levels of support are broken, so you can see right there, did a great job of acting as support, but then it was broken today. But when levels of support are broken, they tend to act as resistance. So if there is any sort of bounce upwards, keep an eye on that, which is currently valued right around 1425. But overall, very, very rough day. Chart is in free fall mode, so we'll see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.